goody. Dude, what a freaking day it is right now. Oh, Pepsi is ripping. Costco is ripping. Honeywell is ripping. Soundhound is ripping. KO, new highs. I have calls on every single one of these. Pins still looking good. BBAI holding up. Dude, KO. KO about made me trim. Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Look, I still got the rocket and everything on there too. Dude, we're just getting paid today. I mean, it was an absolute banger and it's still going. Oh my god. Dude, what a freaking day. Let me go check my KOs real quick. Where are we at? Probably where they were this morning. Yeah, KO's still good. Soundhound. I need to pull that up over here. I'm up 52% on the call swings. Your new highs looking good. What a day. What a day. We up like almost 2K on the day. Let's go see if someone said the volume is extremely low. Well, let's crank it up, shall we? But I guess that means the live stream's working. Oh, someone said YouTube. Hard to hear. Is that better? Is that better? Oh, a freaking Disney headline coming across right now. Coca-Cola. I know. Everything is printing right now, guys. Everything is printing. Everything. It's just another one of those days. Printing right now, guys. All right, there we go. YouTube stream is working. Volume seems better, so hopefully that helped. So I don't know. I'm looking if I want to potentially swing anything new. So this morning, live here on the stream, just not here with you guys, maybe some of you, in the trading room, in the Discord, took SPY calls down here, took the 660s and sold them as we came up here, and that was only half the move. It is what it is, but what a ripper, just for shits and giggles. So I bought these SPY calls for 368. Let me go check where I last closed them at. And go, holy shit, they went to 880. God, what a freaking move today. So we took SPY calls this morning off the lows. Live here on stream in front of hundreds of people, and we got fucking paid. It was absolutely glorious. I started this small account with $2,500 with the first goal just to sell premium to make 1% per week. I do much better with call credit spread or cash secure puts and covered calls than day trading. Now I have to grow it, and look at that, it's up $1,700, 57%. Let's go. JT, nice account on the day, green. Pins 50%, 105%, Honeywell 40%, 50%, Baba calls 50%, Soundhound 50%, Spy calls 70%. I mean, what didn't we do? I mean, okay, so think about this for a second. Like, who in their right mind yesterday decided to long Honeywell other than me? Is anyone else in Honeywell? Because I'm in Honeywell, baby. Look at this beautiful chart today. Look at Pepsi. What a move. Look at this beautiful trend on Honeywell today. This is absolutely glorious. Not only Honeywell, another one was Soundhound. Look at this. Beautiful swing trade and a beautiful climb up today. Absolutely incredible. And then KO and Pepsi are starting to do the diddly here. We're looking good. From call swings yesterday into today. Got a nice pop back up, came back down, pop back up, new highs. We're good because I took calls from down here anyways. I mean, it's just everything's looking great. Everything's looking great. And pins was just icing on the cake. Where's my energy? Today was just, I mean, where else can you sit and look at charts and just, I don't know, trade your strategy in TA and make $5,000 in 2 days? Look at Costco. Costco is the only one that I charted and talked about yesterday for the call swing. And I was on Spaces with Jordan, and I said I'm going to swing Costco. I decided not to swing Costco, and I swung KO, Soundhound, DraftKings, and then Honeywell was I think one of the last ones. And I said, due to way too many open positions and way too many trades, I was like, I'm not gonna add Costco. Lo and behold, look at Costco today. It was great. I talked about it yesterday on Spaces. I wanted to see it close above like 933 area. This is where I was looking to take calls. It got the pop up into the close, and I was like, all right, it's looking good. And I looked at everything I was swinging. I was like, man, I have way too many open positions right now. I was like, I'm not going to swing Costco. And look at freaking Costco. I'm so sad. I mean, I can't really be sad because everything else did it too, but God, what a day. What a freaking day. What a great day. Now, question is, do I want to do Q's and Spy or like in a tight little pennant right here? I mean, it's getting toy. The question is, do I want to add any other new positions? I still like Costco. IWM is freaking moving. I still like Costco, and I do think it can still go higher. So if you attended the Sunday night live stream, here it is. So call entry, look in here, get the move up above here, go straight to up here. It's almost there. It's almost at 950. If it breaks above 950, I think it's off to the races back to 970, 980. Above that, then you'll see 1,000. So it needs to break out here to get the move there. It's already starting to do it. I do think it can still have good continuation upside if it can break above it. So like to see how that plays out. Someone else said HD earlier. I believe HD looks very similar to my Honeywell trade, which I'm currently in. If you look at, I mean, it's actually coming up to a big spot right here near 390. So HD looks really good, and then Honeywell Look at that. Dude, I think Honeywell looks even better. So swung calls yesterday on Honeywell down here. Dude, these calls are already freaking printing, and they're for January. They're the 220s. Like, I'm looking for the move to 210, above 210, give me 215 to 220. But I 100% sniped this freaking low for this swing trade. And then I think Soundhound just made another new high. Yeah. We're just cruising on up. I mean, this is absolutely incredible. Here, let me go. Here, I'll show you guys. Let me see how much we up on these Soundhounds. Soundhounds also have a little bit of time on them. I am in Soundhound $25 calls for November. Learned these yesterday. Took entry for the swing. See if you guys can see it. If it focuses, not sure if it will. Oh, there it is, 56%. There you go. There you go. So 56.85%. Soundhound $25 calls. So those are the calls that I am in right now. Absolutely printing today. Like, this is insane. Absolutely insane. If I would to make immediate stop loss, could you give a percentage? I have 37% stop loss. 37% on every trade for a stop loss is not great in my opinion. My stops and targets are based on chart technical analysis. I'm saying it like that because I'm responding and typing back to someone else as well. I'm in Poet calls as well. Talked about this yesterday and added into Poet. Beautiful. So Poet got a nice add yesterday into these calls. We're looking good. I have calls on Poet for 2027, $12 calls. We're looking good. We're coming up to previous week high. I haven't trimmed Poet. I don't think it's up enough for me to trim yet. I got plenty of freaking time. Hey, 60%. Woo, Soundhound. BBAI is still green. I'm still in Celsius $70 calls for January as well. Those are at 42%. Poet. Hey, Poet. Okay. So those ads yesterday were pretty good. I probably should be taking a trim up here. I might safety trim here. I might safety trim. Spawning in the Discord as well. Coming back up above 930 to 960. I mean, I'm up like $400. Wouldn't mind taking a little safety trim here, but at the same time, I kind of don't. I took the ads at 185, brought my average up a little bit, and now they're sitting at 240, 245. I think I want a little bit more, to be honest with you. I I mean, we are coming back up to the top. I think okay, if it can give me a 250 break on the premiums, I might. Yeah, I'm thinking. Yeah, I have it from right here to front here to 960 is a light trim, in my opinion. SoundHound new high. Still cruising. 60%. I'm thinking about it. Someone said, been paper trading most of these option plays the last week and up $900. I think that's fan-fucking-tastic. Back test and see how it's going. See, is it mainly is it your own or is it mine? I'm curious. There's someone in the Discord said that. It's got an alert on Hive. Dude, look at all this green on my account. It's insane. Oh, it is green. Oh, it is green. Oh, them positions green. 115%, 60%, 25%, 80%, 52%. Looking spicy. Looking spicy. Want to see something crazy? Do something crazy. Do something crazy. Do something crazy. Let me see. Look, this is my main account right now for open positions that I have. It shows it. Plus 10, plus 10, plus 10 G's. We're cruising. We're cruising. Nice job. Nice job, CJ. ADR, days P&L in the Discord, plus $4,000. You got me beat. $4,000. Like, just today? Yeah. You definitely got me beat. Let's fucking go. JT, account up 3% on the day. Are we the same, JT? I'm up 2.8%. Nice job, JT. You got me beat. Well, let's go. I think Bishop had a good day as well. Bishop took AMD calls, Pepsi calls. Let's see. His Pepsi calls up 66%. His AMDs were up 45. Nice. What Gladiator take? I don't think anything too crazy or too new. Nice. Let me go check Zipflow. Let me put this stream over here real quick. Let's see if there's anything on the flow. You guys want to look at this with me? You want to look at the flow real quick? See if I can change this shit. Hold on. Properties. Let's see if I can do this. I gotta figure out how to do it. Give me a second. There you go. Should see my flow screen right here. There we go. Let's look at some flow. Let's look at some flow and look at some charts. Let me check chat. Oh, our pins. Yeah, I mean pins was a banger swing. I didn't just alert that in the premium Discord either. I gave that in the I alerted it in the Discord in the free trade section. Then I also sent it here on X as well. I took the position 350 yesterday, about 10 minutes before market close, and sent it on X as well. So you're welcome. The 35s went plus 65%. And then the $40 calls, both for November, $40 calls went 105%. I still have runners. I got both. I want to see which one's up more. So as of right now, my runners came back down a little bit. My runner on pins from 105% is now up 78%. My pins 35s from 65 are at 52. I still have both. Here's my runner. Whoopsies. Here's my runner. There's the 78% one. All these freaking notifications going off. All right, Poet is about to make me trim. Someone said ACHR is going. I just got an alert on ACHR. Let's see if I can get filled on Poet. I'm not gonna force it. Let's see if it's gonna fill me. Weeble some shit. I'll place an order to fill, and the second I do it, it'll drop the freaking ask down by like $2 or $5. Doesn't fill the order. Swear to God, it does it all the time. It just dropped it by $2.50, so it didn't fill the order at $245. I'm not gonna drop it down another $2.50. It'll cost me $5. Anyways, look at Caterpillar. This unusual flow right here. Did you look at Caterpillar today? Dude, Caterpillar is on one. New all-time highs. They took 535 for 1017. I mean, this was 3 hours ago, but this thing's been on a mission all day, way before that. I mean, Walmart on a 105. A lot of selling on Walmart, but a lot of buying at the S too. Right here, largest order. Here's a 1.35 million. Click on this. Isolate the contract. We'll do sweeps over 100K. God, there's a lot of sweeps over 100K. Oh, bearish, a lot of bullish. And then the largest ones right here. The largest is a buy. All of these are buys right here too at 500,000. So your ask is at 10.4 million. The bid's at 5. So you have double the amount of buying at the ask than there is selling on those 105s. So what is this? MCHP. MCHP had a decent day. When did this alert come in? Not too long ago. They're probably still about the same. Ooh, this name's in a squeeze. Oh, shoot. MCHP. Weekly squeeze. Daily too, but look at this weekly consolidation. I want to pull up like 2 screens on here. I want to go back and forth here. Hold on. I'm sending an alert right now. Hold on. All right. MCHP. So you guys can see this chart too. Let me change this real quick. Properties. Safari. I don't freaking know which one it is. I think it's this one. Try this one. Nope, not that one. It's the other one. This one. There you go. You got MCHP right here. So the daily. I mean, it kind of looks like a giant bear flag. Can't deny that right now. But it is stuck in a range right now, like up here in this area, right? It's stuck between these two. Daily, look at this squeeze. Look how long this thing has been in a squeeze. Look at all those dots right there. It's back and forth. Now, go to your weekly. Look at it. Look at that consolidation right here. I'm not gonna lie. It's a bit of a stretch to call this a cup and handle, but I wouldn't count it out. I wouldn't count it out for, I mean, I think it looked pretty decent. If you hit that right there. Oh, dude, that's so weird. Boom, boom, broke it, came back up, came back down, hit this, and now it's pinned. Oh, this is interesting. The calls are for $70 calls for November 21, and I see it because the top of that range is the weekly 200, which is at 69.56. And if it breaks 70, it's going to 75, 76. Also, weekly squeeze right now. It is downside. MACD is also bearish. RSI is like neutral-ish. Let me pull up. So you have 1.37 to buy at the ask. The largest one is the unusual for 2,000 contracts on those $70 calls for November 21st at 318. Then you have a few other ones at the ask, smaller size orders. The largest one after that is also the same one for under $250,000. Or no, 275,000, the one for 240. The ones to sell are all smaller orders. This is interesting. This has squeeze potential. These are the ones that I like. Because we want big trades. Well, let's pull up the option chain, shall we? Why did my KC algo fired a short on SPY? Uh-oh. My algo trying to fire the candle just started 20 seconds ago, but it's trying to signal a short. That's interesting. How much are these contracts up? Or worth, sorry. Let's go check. Also want to look at the bid and ask on it. It's microchip technology. It's holding up nicely. They're at 340 right now, and the float came in at 318, so they're only up like 20 bucks. The float came in. Hey, watch this short. Watch this short. Right here on SPY and Qs. I have to flush down a little bit. If it back tests 664.55 up to the EMAs, it could be a cheaper entry short, but small little pullback wouldn't be too bad. I see what it sees. If they buy it up right here and it closes back above 664.76, the short signal that's trying to trigger right now will go away. There's 3 minutes and 15 seconds left. So currently it's saying short. And if it goes back up here, it's going to take the short signal off. As of right now, it's currently on. You guys can't see it. I have the algo turned on a separate one right now. But anyways, I haven't traded this name before. Is the volume better, by the way? Oh! Who fucking called it? Bang! Holy shit! No way! Casey Algo's a fucking goat. Holy shit! Yo! Oh my god. Oh, chat was already short. Holy shit. Oh. Fucking caught it before anyone else, I think. Yeah. All I gotta say is that was fucking hilarious. Yo, that is absolutely hilarious. That's fucking hilarious. Oh man. I'm gonna clip this. I'm clipping that. Just letting you know. I'm clipping this. That is so hilarious. I appreciate you, Liv. Oh my god. That's hilarious. Yeah, I'm clipping that later. That's funny. Dude. I'm so posting that later. The put that you watch list jump 500%. Holy shit, that's awesome. Jeez. Oh, I'm probably not entering into anything new right now. What the fuck's going on? Oh, you took the SPY put? Let's fucking go. What was that? 300%? 200%? Let's fucking go. God. I believe that China purposely not buying our soybeans and causing difficulty for our soybean farmers is an economically hostile act. We are considering terminating business with China having to do the cooking oil and other elements of trade and retribution. As an example, we can easily produce cooking oils ourselves. We don't need to purchase it from China. That's why that just dropped the market. What? Soybeans? What the helly? I mean, market's bearish on soybeans from China. Bearish on soybeans in America if we can't get it from China, I guess. I don't fucking know. Bow, chicka, bow, bow. Oh, this was fine. That's freaking hilarious. Hilarious. Yeah. What time did it signal? 3:30. Freaking insane. We're still looking like we're on a freaking drill. Daggum, spy. Dump it. Freaking soybeans. Dude, this is awesome. This is so funny. What in the actual heck? Yeah. Yeah, it's because Trump. Trump's talking about soybeans. That's why we're dumping. That's freaking awesome. Just bring it down. Bring it all the way down. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. What's crazy about all this? I mean, this doesn't affect any of my positions. I'm still up in green on SoundHound, BBI, Pins, KO, Celsius, Honeywell, QCOM. Oh, it was a nice trim. DraftKings. All those are still green. Also, why does KO look like it's popping up a little bit more on the premiums? Because it's still at freaking high a day. Let's go. Noise. Dude, that's freaking. It's so funny. This market's hilarious. I'd long the shit out of SPY right here in ES. I just might. Long ES right here. Right off of VWAP. Come on. God, how many points did you guys catch on that short for downside? 200. Nice. There you go. All right, I'm going to take a trim on ES. 6680. Bang, bang. I'm going to put a stop in at 73. Woo! I have a futures monitor over here. You guys are looking at SPY. I trade ES based off my SPY chart, not the other way around. Right off of VWAP, right off the SPY level. Nice little spot for a scalp. Out the rest. That was it. Initial reaction. Now, if ES loses 70, you're going to see probably what, 58, 50, 52, 50. Underneath that, I still like the long here as long as they continue to hold. I'm not going to re-enter yet. I like taking futures right at the key spots for the reactions. And if you get the continuation, then you're solid. Whenever like the 21 EMA is tested for the first time in a trend, or when VWAP is tested for the first time after a large move, you can usually get a really good scalp in real quick, whichever direction that it is on futures. I mean, shit, right there, 6 points on ES. I mean, $300 per contract. Nice and easy. No. It is so freaking hilarious. Because of soybeans. I still like the long. We got 45 seconds. It's a good 30-minute and hourly back test too. Yeah, all because of beans. It's all because of beans. All right, what we got? MOC about to come out. It doesn't even matter. Watch ES rip right here. Watch SPY continue to rip off that level. Watch it. There's 84 on ES. There's 10 points. I got no position though, not anymore. I'm not re-entering right when MOC comes out either. Someone said, any news? He said, soybeans. Someone said, no news. Why do you ask? Fucking soybeans. Oh, I cannot wait to clip this video here in a few and post it. That's hilarious. Fucking soybeans. Algo went short. And then 5 minutes later, candle closes. Trump says something stupid about soybeans, and the market tanked. The algo said short before Trump said anything about soybeans. That's all I know. That's fucking incredible. Well, apparently, hey, look at that. 1K on ES. Let's go. Nice job. $1,000. Fuck yeah. Dude, that's awesome. That's a great day. That's a great day. So, in futures in the Discord, they were short on NQ at 24,910, and the dump right there at 24,710 for 200 points. That's insane. That's insane. For those that don't know, for NQ, 200 points to the downside that they just caught in the server on NQ, $20 per contract, $20 per point downside per contract, whatever. That's $4,000 for every one contract. That's insane. This is, hey, you know what? All I have to say is UPS. Look at KO. KO don't give a shit. Doesn't care about no fucking soybeans. KO, baby, don't care about... Look at KO. About make me trim. Let me pull up this position here. 35%. Oh, okay, hold on. I'll show the screenshot afterwards because I gotta trim. Gonna make me trim. Trying to get a fill. 164. 165. Build! Alright, now I can show you. Been talking about KO. $67 calls are in the fucking money. Look, she don't care. Doesn't care. Look at this. Sunday night live stream. I talked about the consolidation down here on the freaking daily. Look at the squeeze. Look at it. Look at the bullish. Look at the bullishness. Look at the squeeze. Look at it. We're doing it. I'm going to post a before and after picture later. We're fucking printing. Why are you not tuning into my Sunday night live streams when I'm going over these charts to get us ready for the week? Squeeze it. Upside. Go. Print. Print for me. Look at this bad boy. Running. KO don't care. New high a day. What a freaking stick. All right. Dude, KO doesn't care about soybeans. Setting the alert. 37.30% trimmed and filled. KO said, fuck your soybeans. Fuck your soybeans. Look, Pepsi about to do it too. Pepsi about making you a high day. Sodas don't care about beans. What's Honeywell? What's Honeywell and SoundHound? That's really all I care about. Dude, Honeywell, new high a day. Doesn't care. Why do you think I'm trading these names right now? SoundHound, that was a great fucking trim earlier, I'll tell you that. But how much am I sold on SoundHound? We trimmed it at 65, I'm up 42. I'm already out majority of these. Is Honeywell, is it at 210? It's almost at 210. I'm probably not gonna be able to take another trim on Honeywell before market close. Unless it gets some kind of ripper candle to 210, I'm not trimming another one. I'm not gonna trim another one. Where's my Sunday night live stream? I sent KO to everybody, right? I sent Pepsi, McDonald's, KO, and Costco on my tweet. Do you see those 4 names? What they're doing? Just saying. Fucking ripping. This is incredible. It's in the charts. It's all in there. Go look at it. All right, Honeywell, you might actually you got 2 minutes. Not trimming it. Hey, Rod, chill. Era said the charts are in the chart section. He said, "Oh, you're talking to the losers who are a part of the Discord." No, I sent them all in the Discord, and I sent all the other ones that are my top picks on X2. So everybody had the charts. Pepsi knew high day. There's your 40% on KO right here on this pop going into the close. Dude, this was a day. A day. All right. So let me get this straight. You're telling me he said all of these things about where this talk was going to go, and it's all playing out? I mean, it's looking fantastic. Look at Costco. Look at that. Played it out to the downside, and then boom, played it up to the upside. Which one did I post for Costco? Daily or weekly? Had the Morningstar reversal on the weekly. 9 times out of 10, next candle goes green. That's what you have here. Right there. This is your Morningstar reversal. These 3 combined, and then the next candle goes green. So this is the one that I drew earlier. I was like, Costco has the potential to go higher. McDonald's was the other one. Morningstar. Daily. Dude, fucking burgers and fries. Vanilla ice cream cones. I don't know. Everything. This was another one. Morningstar reversal. Took the calls yesterday. Took some lotto, swung them into today. Fucking went into money 300%. I mean, I can only... I'm sending everyone the charts. Send out the best ones on Sunday night live stream, and then we execute and trade all of these within the premium Discord. That market closed. Market closed. Let's go check my KO real quick before I jump off. Nice pop. What about my Pepsis? Where's Pepsi's at? Nice pop. How'd my Honeywells close? Good pop, closer to 209. Premium's probably got a little crazy there near the end. Yeah, a little bit. Everything's still looking great. Well, this was fun. I'm closing down this live stream. That was hilarious. That was a hilarious drop. Hell of a freaking long right there too. ES went to what, 90 something, so missed out on 15 points. $750 per contract went for the quick scalp. Came back down, whipped out the rest, and then went right off the level though. I couldn't have been more perfect. Came right down to it. Well, I'm jumping off here. Just wanted to come on the Power Hour, see how things were going to play out for the end of the day. This was hilarious. This was fun. So make sure you do like and repost it if you're here on X. 1,300 people tuned in. Appreciate you guys coming and hanging out for a few. I don't know. It's been an amazing start to the week. We're up $5,000 in the last 2 days. A lot of amazing trades. Again, KO, Honeywell, just Soundhound. What else? Poet. Baba today. We fucking sniped the bottom for calls. Spy this morning sniped the bottom for calls. DraftKings. Just a lot of things worked out. BBAI, another small one that was good, closer to 30% today. I mean, everything anywhere from 30% to 105% today. Just multiple fucking bangers. A lot of them swing trades. The only two that were taken intraday were Baba and Spy near the lows. This morning, everything else was a swing into the day, and they all absolutely ripped. So I'm gonna go clip that part for when the algo went short and then we dumped because of this soybean news, and then I'm gonna do a chart update on the ones that I sent for Friday. And that's it for me. So I appreciate you guys coming and hanging out. Just bullshitting around the last hour. It's fun. Holy Ronald McDonald. I know. Does like I send the charts and I send the trades. I mean it's glorious. I mean, what else could you want? What else could you want for a bullish reversal? Boom, boom. 9 times out of 10, next candle goes green. I'll take this 90% of the time. Absolutely. What a great freaking move and breakout here on McDonald's. I absolutely think it's going to reject up near 305, 306. Hence, if you're in the premium Discord, what calls did I take? 305s. And that was freaking full target. Did I think it was going to rip up there that hard, that fast? Nope. Am I glad it did? Absolutely. But we covered that on Sunday Night Live Stream. If you guys are not tuning into the Sunday Night Live Stream that I do, you're doing yourself a disservice. It's freaking free education, free charts. It's the plan that I'm going to be live trading in the premium Discord. So I'm kind of giving everyone like the pre-week plan. But if you want to come hang out and watch me trade every single day, and when I take those entries Monday through Friday based on those charts and sharing my exact entries, expiration, strike price, everything on those trades and charts, I mean, that's in the premium Discord. That's where we're at every single day, doing this shit every single day in front of thousands of people. No bullshit. We have a blast. So I'm jumping off here. Love you guys. Amazing day. Stay tuned for the chart updates and for the little video that I'm going to clip later. So hope you had a great day. I'm going to be back in the premium Discord tomorrow, every single day. Live streaming, live trading. I'll be on X Spaces as well with Wolf Trading, Wolf Financial Team over there as a speaker. But I'll mainly be live trading, live streaming in the Discord like I do every single day. So if you want to come hang out, click the link on my bio on my X profile. It'll take you to my WOP store. You can get a 7-day free trial. Come hang out for a week and watch us do what we do. And if you like it, then come hang out. Live teaching, live trading, making money every single day. And yeah, that's that. Link is up there on the screen. Same one. So same link. I have the link tree in my bio. It'll show all of my links to everything. Take you to my Discord, my store, the whole